Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Compressor. This AC compressor works on various Honda and Acura vehicles from 2003 to 2008, which are equipped with either the 3.0 liter or 3.5 liter V6 engines. A few common applications with this engine during these years include the 2003 to 2006 Acura MDX and the 2005 to 2008 Honda Pilot. However, please see the full list below. What your AC compressor does is it pressurizes or compresses the AC refrigerant, allowing it to circulate and change temperature when pushed through the condenser. Over time, original compressors are known to go bad, creating strange or weird noises when turned on due to the pulley not engaging properly, or there could be leaks coming from the compressor itself. While this replacement AC compressor is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations and, of course, the factory or OEM electrical connector. However, this unit does have a redesigned clutch bearing for enhanced durability. Installation of this AC compressor might be something you do yourself should you have all the right tools. However, keep in mind the refrigerants that are in the AC system are hazardous. So if your AC is charged, do not work on your system without properly discharging it first. Therefore, consider having this part installed by a trained mechanic. If you have any questions about this replacement AC compressor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.